Okay, Corey, Blessed Homes, Renovations, and Roofing. All right, so new to Waxahachie?
New to the chambers.
New to the chamber, all right. So how long you been in business?
Going on 6 years.
Going on 6 years, outstanding. Well, the Waxahachie Chamber of Commerce is very excited to have you join us, and so that we can help you to grow your business and to become a productive, contributing member of the Chamber of Commerce. I'm doing that on behalf of the Chamber. My name is Tom Conley. I am a ambassador for the Chamber, and on behalf of the Chamber and all of its members, I present you this plaque that says, you are now an official member of the Chamber of Commerce.
Appreciate it, man, and really. Well, I mean, one of the things that I want to say is that it's a very proud moment coming from very humble beginning, and just thanking to be a part of a community that has been tremendous in building the business, helping us to make those next strides, and look forward to being part of the help of anything we can do in the community, as well as, you know, helping our type of clients and just continuing to be who we are as a company, caring about our team, caring about the work that we do, and caring about the clients that we have. So thank y'all, very proud moment, and look forward to what the future holds.
Amen, brother. Congratulations.
Thank you.